this is me Anika and welcome to my channel Kudos Craze. So today in this video I am going to show you all how to make drumstick Rasavangi. This is one of my favorite South Indian dishes and I also want you all to try this recipe. And yes, don't forget to take the help of your elders. So let's get started. Take some drumsticks, cut it, slit it and boil it in salt water until soft. After boiling, let it cool down and then take out the flesh from the drumstick using a spoon, and remember not to throw the water in which we boiled our drumsticks. Now for the preparation of our masala, take all these ingredients mentioned and roast it properly. Now let all these ingredients cool properly and then grind it into a fine powder. Here we go, the masala is ready. Now take 1 cup shredded coconut and roast it until it turns golden brown, then keep it aside. Now in a kadai, take 2 tablespoons of edible coconut oil. Now add the drumstick flesh into the coconut oil. Now add turmeric powder according to your requirement. Now add tamarind water into the Rasavangi. For making tamarind water, soak some tamarind in water for 5 to 10 minutes and then take out the pulp and add the water in the dish. Now add the drumstick water in which we boiled the drumstick. Add salt according to taste. Now let's add some boiled tur dal. The grinded masala powder. At this stage you have to add the powder, and if any lumps are there, remove the lumps. Let the Rasavangi become thick, cover and simmer it. Now let's make the tadka. Take a tadka pan and add coconut oil in it. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon mustard seeds in it. Add dry red chilies. 1 to 2 chilies are enough. And add a little bit of curry leaves. Then our tadka is ready. After the Rasavangi gets thick, add the roasted coconut in it. Now add the tadka in the thickened Rasavangi and mix well. Here we go, our Rasavangi is ready. You can have it with rice and you can also make some side dishes for this Rasavangi. You can have it with the tomato rasam. My favorite side dish for this recipe is tomato rasam, and don't forget to try this recipe. So I hope Kudos you liked watching this video. Then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with all of your friends so that they can also try this recipe. Bye. See you then.